In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to link CapCut to your TikTok account. This allows users to seamlessly edit videos with advanced tools in CapCut and directly upload them to TikTok. To do this, simply head to your CapCut. Tap onto your profile icon and head to Manage Account. On this page, you will see applications that can be connected or linked with CapCut. Select on Link TikTok and you will directly land on this page. Tap on Authorize, follow few baby steps and your TikTok will successfully link to CapCut. The direct link between the two platforms simplifies sharing, making it easier for creators to reach their audience and grow their presence on TikTok. That's how easy it is to link CapCut to your TikTok account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.